You are listening to me talking to myself. Welcome to the podcast where I share useful tools to create more space, more freedom, inner peace, connection, and life on purpose. When it comes to creating the life of our dreams, we must be open to journeying and the acceptance of the unknown. If you're listening to my podcast, you're looking to improve certain areas of your life. Like me, you're interested in growth. Because the opposite of growth is stagnation, staying the same. As humans, we want to evolve, and there's nothing worse than a lack of progress. But to make progress in any area of our life, our relationships, our health, our finances, we have to be willing to go on a journey, not a trip. A trip is predictable. A journey is not. A journey includes the unknown. And we have to be willing to open ourselves up to a level of uncertainty in order to get the growth that we want. So how do we know that we are on the right path when it comes to our goals? Step 1. What do you want? What is it you desire? What do you really want? The most important ingredient when it comes to success and creating life and purpose is desire. The desire to do more, to be more, to give more, to share more, to create more, to contribute more, to experience more. To know exactly what it is we want or we do not want. It is not intelligence, it is not skill. It is the desire to get it. We always move away from pain or towards pleasure. I talk in more detail about knowing what you want in episode 18. So take a moment to think about what you desire most. And just as important as what you want is why you want it. We are either moving towards something or we are moving away from something. And with identifying what you truly want, you're on the right path. You can't get to the destination if you don't know where you're going. Step 2. Be true and honest with yourself. To change something, we need to be willing to see it and become aware of it without any judgments. Separating emotions from facts. And the truth will set us free. This is about getting clear and honest about where we are right now in this moment. And visualize where we want to be. So really becoming honest and true to yourself. Where am I right now? And where do I want to be? What is the gap between where you are now and where you want to be? And what is preventing you from closing this gap? Is skill? Is it an old story, a limiting belief? Is it fear, a habit? So often we need to let go of our old beliefs to step into our full potential. And sometimes we need to learn a new skill to get to the next level. Once we identify where we are currently and what is holding us back, we can go to the next step. We can change it. Step 3. Create a strategy, an action plan. A plan that will take you from where you are right now to where you want to be. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but it will act as a guide. The best plan you can create right now with the tools and the knowledge you have right now. What are the beliefs that I need to change and how do I change them? What are the skills I need to gain? Who do I need to become and how do I become this person? What emotions do I need to create and what actions need to be taken today to begin to close this gap? Step 4. Showing up. doing hard things even if we do not feel like it. No excuses. This is where the change happens. Showing up even if we don't want to. Recording content even if we don't want to. Editing, sending emails, working out, waking up early, cold showers, etc. Even if it feels hard. We want to make it a habit, so it becomes part of our identity and who we are. Make it part of your strategy, part of your daily practice to write down what you desire, to reconnect to your why and your reasons. Step 5, checking in. Motivation will come and go. If we really want to create something, we cannot rely on motivation. And it's so tempting to choose comfort. So check in every week, every month. What is working, what is not working, and adjust the strategy. Surround yourself with people who will hold you accountable for your goals and lift you up. Surround yourself with people who inspire you to become that better version of yourself. Creating the life we want is a moving target. Greatness is not a fixed goal. It requires us to be flexible, curious, and open to unexpected and creative possibilities beyond our logical mind. And it requires us to adjust the strategy, but not the goal. Step 6. Celebrate, appreciate, and give back. Any goal, any greatness we achieve in our life is really our opportunity to give back, to inspire others, to share our skills and knowledge and tools and gifts, to do something for others, to contribute to something bigger than ourselves, to leave a mark on this world for the better. As long as we grow, as long as we are human, we will need to repeat these steps again and again. Our life changes, the world changes, we change. What we desire will change. So we need to constantly reevaluate what it is we want in life. Where am I? Where I want to be? And how can I get to where I want to be? How can I close this gap? It is a journey, not a trip. One of my biggest lessons is do not try to do everything yourself. Ask for help. Find a mentor, find a coach. And if you find yourself needing more personalized guidance or a helping hand on your journey, I invite you to schedule a strategy call with me. Together, we can dive deeper into your aspirations, your challenges, your desires, and opportunities. We'll talk about where you are right now, where you want to be, and how to bridge the gap between the two. Exploring what it is we want, exploring our visions, our values, our truth, is an important part of my retreats. Taking time to be away from all the noise, day-to-day responsibilities and attachments, and reset, re-choose, redecide, reevaluate, where am I? Where do I want to be? What is true for me? What do I believe about what is possible for me? I will release dates and destinations for my retreats next year very soon. And until then, you can meditate and practice with me on my YouTube channel. All the links you will find in my show notes. Talk to you in the next episode. Thank you for being curious. If you enjoyed listening, rate, review, subscribe, share, and join the conversation. Do not miss out on yourself, your power, and what is possible for you.